The Dow was up 130 points today. Strong day in the market. That's what most people would perceive. However, notice what type of signal or what type of formation was created in today's trading. The Dow traded at a much lower level than where it was trading early in the day, telling you the sellers were still participating in this market. You can basically draw a line right down through the tops. That might tell us we're still stuck in this sideways mode. And the weakness was even more visible in the Nasdaq. Even though the Nasdaq was up 37 points from here to here, it traded well below where it opened after trading much higher and traded back below the T-line. Stochastic's not quite to the oversold area yet. Tells us there might still be some waffling down in this area before the bulls can really start taking control. But being able to analyze each commodity allows the candlestick investor to pinpoint which sectors are going to be moving the strongest. For example, crude oil did a big bullish engulfing signal right off the 200-day moving average on Friday, and today confirmed by closing above the T-line. Is it a powerful uptrend? Maybe not, but more than likely, it could probably get back into this trajectory, which means there might be a couple strong days and then just kind of a continued flow of crude oil prices. Now, do we know whether crude oil prices are going higher or lower based upon all the analysis out there? Definitely not. But it's telling us right now the overall trend is in an uptrend. So you don't listen to each individual analyst. Listen to what the market's telling you, what everybody's analyzing. And knowing that the crude oil prices are staying strong allows for the analysis of whether individual stocks like Whiting is still a buy coming out of this cup and handle type format. And the same scenario with companies like ERF. Notice the doji gap up, another doji. If it opens positive, basically have the classic fry pan bottom J-hook pattern in progress. And August Gold did a big long-legged doji on Thursday. On Friday, it opened lower, but notice what's happened over the last few days. They still have not been able to close gold back below the T-line. This also is a good indication that this reversal signal is not being confirmed, that our uptrend remains in progress. And knowing that gold isn't selling off allows the candlestick investor also to identify which gold stocks might be acting well. As we can see in the SA chart, they haven't really been able to close this below the T-line. Look for a breakout possibility that could give you another big price move. The candlestick graphics, the candlesticks, allows an investor to make an assessment of what patterns are setting up and what each individual signal is doing to create that pattern. This allows for being in the proper place at the proper time in the right sectors. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.